cellphone.
Oh, cellphone. Did you watch a cellphone over time?
Yes. Because this one car, there's light.
Oh, okay.
The light coming in and the cell phone. Because there's flash in the cell phone. Because I'm moving like this. Move and think.
And then,
Because I see the car and inside. I just wiggle the car.
wiggle the car?
Yes.
And then what else?
Because I see the light.
And then what will happen to the light?
The light coming in this and this phone.
Hmm. Who's calling in the cell phone?
The boat.
Why you don't know? Lolo.
Yeah.
But, at time, mommy, did